Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these are the Ray-Ban Hexagonal Flat Lens Sunglasses. And because of its original shape, it adds this unique and modern touch to the classic aviator design. The gold metal beautiful frame adds a little of a touch of luxury, making these sunglasses perfect for any occasion. It's a lightweight frame, and it sits really comfortable on the face. Makes me feel sure that it's a snug fit and that it won't slip or slide. And I really like the case too. It's not a soft case, it's a hard case. And even if I put it in my purse among some other stuff that I always carry with me, they won't get crushed or make any damage to the. So these sunglasses are perfect for any occasion. And that's my point of view.